Hey guys, this is Darius Khan and I'm reporting in from Granada Beach in Long Beach. Today, it's Corgi Beach Day.
I was talking to him.
What kind of organization is this?
We rescue corgis and corgi mixes. So our specialty is kind of special needs and senior dogs.
Are you telling me there's actually people out there that, you need to rescue a corgi from?
There's actually more than we can handle. It's a grab bag, really. You have your behavioral issues. You have your, the parents are too old to take care of them anymore. They're moving somewhere where the dogs can't have dogs. Any laundry stuff. You'd be surprised, man. We get that a lot. I can't believe there's corgis and shelters. We're every day there's corgis and shelters. We're all foster days.
Okay.
So the way we work is we have hikes on Facebook. So we have hikes, we take out the dogs, we have people meet us there, and then we have events like this where we bring out the dogs.
Oh yeah, cool.
But generally speaking, we'll do more of a kind of a one-on-one kind of a meet and greet kind of deal.
Kind of just let the potential owners figure it out,
exactly.
bond with the dogs. Then.
Yeah, it's a little more involved process, so we kind of, it's not like, here's $40, that dog's cute, I want it. That's not what we're about.
That's not, because otherwise they end up back here.
Exactly.
They end up back here. This is what causes. This is why we can't have nice things. Are you an owner yourself?
Yeah, we have two right here. That one right there is Eva, right in the corner. Mm-hmm. We actually rescued her about 4 years ago. Same deal. She was at the Agora Hill shelter. She was labeled as aggressive, and so they wouldn't even adopt her out to the public.
Wow.
Yeah. And so we went there. She waited 6 hours by a crate, and then they saw the commitment, and so they were willing to go out to us.
Oh, that's cool.
Dribbles, over here. Bring it here. Dribbles, bring it here.
voting for you. I think it's nice
All right, everyone. Well, that concludes our Corgi Beach day trip. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and join me on Facebook. I'll see you around.